Hey YouTube fans, this is 95 Arrow Boy. Again, we're having rain at our home with lightning and thunder. This is just any kind of stuff video. Yeah, there's thunder in the background. But anyways, I'm stuck here in my house. Power has not gone off. Turned off the computers to make sure you don't short circuit or blow them out. Figured I'd do a little video just for the hell of it. If you see a little red reflection on the screen of this video, it's probably the little recording red light just reflecting on the screen. Other than that, ooh, that's where the light's going to. I had to turn the camera for a different direction. Giving a shout out to my homie Steve Mead over at SMD, which is also stevemeaddesigns.com. I don't know if he listens or watches my videos, but I'm giving a shout out to him anyway. Keep it bumping, homie. But other than that, just kind of browsing, seeing if we can catch any lightning and thunder. Hey, whoa, that was a good one. Hopefully I got it on tape. My hand's getting wet, so I know my camera's going to get wet here too. Damn it. I don't know if you guys here in the video can hear that or not. So far, recording 2 minutes and 10 seconds into this, I'm gonna have to move because the screen, I'm getting wet like crazy with the water and the rain. Yeah. Oh man, it's hoping for more lightning. Sucks. Maybe I can go jump out in my front doorway. It's not as... Oh, just as I was moving.
Are you round 1, 2?
I'm gonna go over to the front door.
Okay.
I know you guys can't see where, but I know where I'm going. One flight of stairs. There's the last flight of stairs. Curving to my door. Yeah. There's my van. And right there is the front end of my Tempo. Which I don't know if you can see that. Drive. That's my porch light right here. It's the only thing that's actually keeping... I sit under my... I'm getting wet, a little bit wet here. I'm under the tree. It's inches from my little Tempo. I want to catch some thunder and lightning flashes. Sucks, I can't see anything on the screen. Yeah, 4 minutes and 15 seconds into it. No thunder, no lightning. Sucks. Using my hands to cover up the camera so it doesn't get wet. There's some thunder. A little bit more. Yep, I hear some sirens in the background. But anyways, this is the night of Mother's Day. I think it's just almost midnight, so it's still Sunday. But still a little rumble of the thunder. But in general, we'll move over to the back of the tempo. Whoa, slippery. Almost slipped and fell on my butt. Crazy. Well, I can see spots on my screen. Oh man, I didn't know it behind me. There's my neighbor's doorway. Sucks taking pictures at nighttime. More thunder. Yes, I'm being a butthead. I'm out here in the water, no coat, no sweater. Oh, no, I'm not even with a hat to keep my head. It sucks. But just within like 10 minutes ago, before I got my camera, it was straight lightning like every 5-10 seconds. So I came back out here. Damn. There's my doorway. There's a little glimpse of my tempo. Yeah, you can probably see that in the actual video. And there's our street light, my driveway. I share 3 houses with mine. So one person has a birthday party, it congests all over the place. So going back in my doorway because I'm getting soaked. Damn water. Well, we had at least a couple good, like 2 weeks, maybe 4, of just straight good, sunny, warm weather. And today, totally opposite. Well, night-wise, opposite. But roughly, in that general area is where the most lightning happens. But ain't gonna happen now. Damn it. Oh yeah, caught one finally. And it's 7 minutes 25 seconds into it. So I'm not going to edit any of this. Wow, long thunder. That's what I said. I'm not going to edit this. I'll let it play all as long as it can. I've done a video before. It's still rumbling. With a smaller video when I was on a paper route. I'm at home. My friends got their car running. They're out on the route. Ha ha. I'm staying where it's nice and warm. Well, not warm. Out here in the doorway with no jacket on, being a dumb butt. I would have said the dumb A word, but being on YouTube, I'm keeping my language clean. But anyways, giving you another shout out to my homie Steve Mead at SMD Designs. SteveMeadDesigns.com. And that's M-E-A-D-E is his last name's pronounced. Mead.com. Steve Mead. But it looks like the lightning and thunder subsided. So I'm now at 9 minutes and 5 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and end this. As you can see, I'm still just inches from my van. It's all wet. Oh yeah, just to make sure. I said, have you ridden a pedicab lately? I did that because it's a Ford and it sounded just perfect, since I own 3 pedicabs. And here, oh, another lightning I missed. At Silver Dollar BMX Racing. It's where kids of younger age that can ride 20-inch BMX bikes, run them for, you know, like a little trophies, maybe a little credit or points. They do it every Sunday, Thursday, evenings over here on my side of town. They're getting a new track built up. So, I kind of help them sponsor. Well, I don't sponsor them. I advertise for them when I'm out and about. With stickers, a little sweater with it on it, and I go visit them from time to time. My friends over at the bicycle shop, they do a lot of repairs for them too. They're, I don't know, say roughly 10 blocks away from their place. So, oh whoa. Okay, well, I'm 10 minutes and 45 seconds into this, so I'm gonna go ahead and call this out. So, have a fun, and hope you start to see something out of here. Later, YouTubes. Leave me a comment. Bye.